Dumelang landlords, this is your tenant Disebo D. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do like, share and subscribe. And if you have anything to say, anything at all, please do drop a comment. I would really like to hear from you. My landlords, Isita the enemy. I'm sorry I'm a bit late with this one. It is the April 2025 teaser. And it goes like this. Tuesday the 1st of April. Who did I marry? Nolita uncovers Kuma's secret. Madlamini practice witchcraft, all while summoning congregants to come to her side. Wednesday the 2nd of April. Shadows of deception. As secrets unravel and power shifts, the community grapples with betrayal, redemption, and the dark forces that bind them all. Tuesday the 3rd of April. Crocodile tears. Kuma is caught off guard when he realizes that Rib's sidekick is on to him. Solomzi's hopes is shattered when the search for Ribs proves to be futile. Friday the 4th of April 2025. Go to the slaughters. Can Solomzi find Ribs before Kuma exacts his revenge on her? Madlamini puts the final nail in the coffin in Nomsa's relationship with the church and Bulelani. Monday the 7th of April. Kuma must fall. Solomzi vows to unalive Kuma. Bulelani is conflicted when Madlamini says God is calling him. Nelly and Banze rub their fleshly reignited yoga spark in front of Tenjiwe. Tuesday the 8th of April. Karma. Nandi takes cruel pleasure in seeing Ribs suffer. Meanwhile, Velapi tries to wrap his head around the recent domestic changes, alongside Nolita, who raises her concerns to Ukuma. Wednesday the 9th of April. The mission. Zandile feigns affection and reveals her true motive for being in the Ngwenya compound. Bulelani kicks out yet another family member. Thursday the 10th of April. Enemy in our midst. Mbuso discovers that someone wants to unalive him but doesn't know how close he is to the person. Because of his frustration, he determines the fate of his very own uncle. Friday the 11th of April. How the mighty have fallen. Kuma gloats over a newspaper picture of Ribs in bad shape, while Mbuso mocks Ribs' downfall, enraging Zandile. Monday the 14th of April. I want my things the way it was. The seer's visit reveals Mbuso with deep regret. Meanwhile, the actual culprit has deadly surprise for him. A struggling addict, Velapi finds comfort in an unlikely place. Tuesday the 15th of April. Bloodlines of betrayal. Zandile's world takes a sudden turn. A heartbeat she didn't expect, and a truth she can't ignore. Something is about to change everything. Wednesday the 16th of April. Our blood, our child. Mbuso and Zandile make a shocking discovery about their bloodline and identity. Velapi and Minentle agreed to moving on, but they can't keep their hands off each other. Thursday the 17th of April. Umndeni. Nomsa insists that Kuma must find Nandi. Bulelani is pleased when Madlamini comes with groceries, much to Matsidiso's suspicion. Friday the 18th of April. MIA. The royal family does whatever it takes to protect the Harrier, but Zandile's tricks ruin everything, which ensures panic within the palace walls. Monday the 21st of April 2025. Jealous hearts, sly minds. Nomsa confronts Chuma over his betrayal with Rip's name involved, and Minentle struggles with jealousy as Velaphi seems to have already moved on. Hi, yabona Minentle and Velaphi, guys. No. Alright, let's continue. Tuesday the 22nd of April 2025. Izinsuku zokuqina. Nomsa discovers shocking news about Madlamini's church. Banze and Sesonto are two of the customers who have been scammed into buying fake shoes. Wednesday the 23rd of April. Get well soon. Chuma and Mbuso put their differences aside. Velaphi and Minentle make their relationship exclusive, and the family is outraged. Thursday the 29th of April. Mareza is back. Rips looks at her deadly gift with the urge to accept it, much to Martha's advice. Mbuso is left blinded while he is pressured to find Zandile. Friday the 25th of April, which is the season finale, and a new season will be beginning from there onward, right? Friday the 25th of April, stillborn, season finale. Unto us 2 babies are born, one alive and well, the other cold as ice. With her legacy under threat, a newly christened grandmother makes a tough decision. Hey, what is the decision, Bazalwane? What is the decision? But okay, before I conclude, Minentle and Velaphi, really? And then if Minentle and Velaphi continue with the relationship, where does that now put Unka? Because Unka was the blesser of Minentle. Velaphi has nothing to bless Minentle with, but yet Minentle is with Velaphi. Guys, I don't know. And is Zandi the one that is pregnant, that is going to have a child with Umbuso? Like, everything right now is just showing me flames. But the season or Isita the Enemy has been renewed. Isita continues for season 3 while season 2 ends. So season 3 teaser will come, I think, somewhere in April. For now, we are glued to our screens and we want to see ukuthi uMareza uzomenzani uChuma, considering ukuthi uChuma udlala ku territory engasi eyakhe. Premiere episodes of Isita the Enemy air on ETV from Monday to Friday at 21:30 p.m. every single week. So tune in and I'll keep on updating you. But do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. This is your girl, Disewe D. I love you. Peace. Bye.